All right, taking a live look out in Portland now. We've been looking at this over the hour, and it kind of changed from sunny skies to cloudy, and now you have some rain out there, Keith. It's moving pretty quickly, though, right?
Yeah. Wait, we do have a west view. Go back to the.
Yeah.
Go back to that. Oh, can we move that one? Is that it?
There it is.
Yeah.
Is that, you see light in the sky in the distance.
It's definitely
though, so
west. It has to be, right?
happening.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's the edge of it. It's just really quick moving, like I said, just enough to muck out your outdoor plans, and then we go back to it. I remember we were at a Sea Dogs game years ago, and something like this happened, and people were starting to leave, and I was trying to be that guy, like, just hold on, it's not going to be long. It's my hot dog. There's that line going through. We do have one area that marked severe. It doesn't look a whole lot different to me than the other parts of this line, but there might be some gustier winds through Brunswick and Wiscasset here shortly. I think Augusta, even though it's not in the box, is going to get the same kind of storm as the area in the severe thunderstorm warning there. So gusty winds, maybe some small hail. Kind of falling apart to the north into just a larger area of rain. So by the time this gets to Bangor, it will likely still have some gusty winds. Temperatures in the 70s out ahead of it. Of course, you can see where the line has come through. Portland down to 65 degrees. So obviously we're dropping back into the 60s behind this front. Eventually into the 50s, things settle down pretty quickly overnight tonight. And tomorrow's a really good looking day. Like I said, it's maybe just a tiny bit not as nice as Saturday, but it's very, very close. It's in the mid-70s, a lot of sunshine, maybe a few more clouds in the mountains compared to Saturday. Clear overnight tomorrow night, and then we start the day on Wednesday. Sunny as well. Clouds start coming in through the middle of the day over western Maine and central Maine. And then the showers should hold off for the vast majority of the state until sunset. That being said, western Maine and the mountains could see a shower right before sunset on Wednesday. And then this cold front's going to come through Wednesday night. It's very thin. It's not all that energetic, but it's slow moving. So it's going to come through on Wednesday night with showers and then kind of stall over us on Thursday, giving us showers through a good part of the day there. So unfortunately, the speed of this front is a detriment to us, giving us those showers Wednesday night, Thursday. We should be able to clear out by, say, late morning on the day on Friday, and then it looks good Friday afternoon, Saturday, and Sunday. The weekend looks pretty solid, actually. Let's have a look at Larry, way out there. If you navigate from Maine, really good looking storm. It's good that it's in the middle of nowhere right now because it is a little buzzsaw of a hurricane. Cat 3, it will buzz by Bermuda. They're still close enough they have to worry about it. We're not. Probably going to be some big swells out here as it gets close enough to us early next week. But I would say the window for this to do anything wild and get too close to us is closing rapidly, which is a positive. So I like the weekend. I like Saturday a little better than Sunday, but they both look pretty good to me right now. Temperatures in the mid-70s, which is pretty much dead on average for this time of the year, straight through. I mean, I hate, so like Todd and Ryan have a thing, guys, where two things. They won't use an odd number on a 7-day to end. Like they're not going to use it.
Huh.
Yeah, and then they don't like to repeat numbers. So this is going to be changed tomorrow to some weird variation of this, but it's going to be about 72 or 73. The thing is, there can be days where the temperatures are the same temperature, 2 or 3 days in a row. So
well,
like,
is it just superstitious, or what is it?
I don't know, Jess. What is the reasoning behind this? She's on my team. You're on
no
the same team.
What's going on.
Yeah. It's something. There's some weird thing about like people won't know this difference between 75 and 76, so it should be all even numbers,
like
right?
People like even numbers.
People
better.
like even numbers.
People like even numbers.
See, that's all.
I agree with that.
That's all.
Yes, I do.
It's all about being liked by, It's all about that.
Whereas you just don't care.
Yeah, I just not here for that.
No comment. No comment. Thanks, Keith.